Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Halli Galli. Dive into Halli Galli, where your eyes race against a bell quicker than a chef chopping fruit. Spot matches, ring the bell, and prepare for laughter and surprises. It's easy to learn but tricky to master. Perfect for turning any gathering into a hilarious reflex show. To set up, divide the deck equally among all the players. The first player turns over a card, and the next player turns over a card. What you're looking for is 5 of the same type of fruit. Cards will keep getting turned over until somebody sees something that adds up to 5 of the same type of fruit. When 5 of the same type of fruit is shown, ring the bell in the center of the game. The first person who rings it takes all the cards and puts them under their own pile of cards, and they start again. The game continues until someone sees 5 again. It doesn't have to be one card. It could be across multiple cards. However, it has to be 5 of the same type of fruit. If you run out of cards, you're out of the game. The person who has all the cards at the end of the game wins. And that's how you play Halli Galli, a game where fun meets frenzy and every round is filled with anticipation and laughter. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.